Hey, this is Tom with Risk and Safety Solutions, and today I'm going to take you through how to report a workplace violence incident. You'll want to log in to app.riskandsafety.com. We have this card here to report a workplace violence incident, or there will be a link on your campus's website in order to get here. So I'm going to select that. Now, this reminds me that a workplace violence incident is any act of violence or threat of violence that occurs in the place of employment, and that this is not an online police report. So be sure to visit your police department's website and report a crime through that. Up in the top right, I can start my form. And I've got some questions to fill out here. So am I currently a UC employee or student employee? We have an acknowledgement here. Are we reporting this incident for yourself or for someone else? Maybe you witnessed the incident. In this case, in my example, I'm going to say, yes, this is for myself, and put in my lived or preferred name. If this incident involved my supervisor, then I can mark off the date and time of the reported incident. Where did this incident occur? Let's say that I was approached by an unknown person in the parking lot. So I can mark off parking lot and choose the closest building. And here's where we get into the details of who committed the violence. In my example, I'm going to choose unknown at this time, as well as their affiliation. So if it's someone that we don't know, unknown, or up to a current or former employee. We'll choose the type of incident here. Anywhere we see the other option, if we select that, we'll get a little box to type in kind of what we were referring to there. The employee's circumstances at the time of this incident. And then we can describe the incident itself. The statements and observations go here as well. If there were others impacted by this incident, we can mark that off here. Any steps taken to address this incident, like if this was reported to law enforcement? If security or law enforcement took any actions, we can mark that off here. And who is my supervisor, or we should say the supervisor who this incident form is for. In this case, I'm filling it out for myself. So I'll put in my supervisor as well as my name and job title here. Now we'll see everything with an asterisk was required, and if things were not required, we don't have an asterisk there. If I forgot any of those, it's going to pop up here when I try to submit. But in this case, I see the form was submitted successfully, and I have the program administrator role, so I'm taken directly to the next page to start an investigation. But we just wanted to take you through that process there. And please reach out to Risk and Safety Solutions if you have any questions. Thank you.